a big way. Shaquille and the Heat, he promised the title. They got it. David Stern on hand. First, a moment of silence for Red Auerbach. Red certainly knew all about championships. This time for the Heat to celebrate their first. Pat Riley, ring number 5. Dwayne Wade, the MVP of the finals, ring number 1. Shaquille's got room on the thumb for one more. He's got 4. There's the bling, the ring, the championship banner raised to the rafters, and that's when it all went terribly wrong, didn't it? Not much went right at all. Dwayne Wade has still got ridiculous game, 25 for him. He was the only player from Miami in double figures. Tyrus Thomas, the young fella, showing out, kicking the Shaquille O'Neal shot. Shaquille held only 7, so long, so athletic is Thomas, and you'll see more of it here off the Luol Deng miss. He climbs the ladder for the dunk. The Bulls are up 15, and it got much, much worse. Kirk Hinrich, he got broken off. A 5-year, $47.5 million extension, and he played like it. 26 points for him. Then Chris Duhon, 7 of 8 from the floor. He drains that. The Bulls are up by 29. Pat Riley, he's a great coach. There are no answers for a night like this. Third quarter, you know the face. It's the same face that belongs to Ben Wallace. He's in that new place. Folks think he might make a big difference for the Bulls. Here off one of the rare Hinrich misses. Ben cleans up the mess. 11 boards for him. They're up 28, and then Duhon 3 for 3 from 3, and gimme all 3 of these. Miami comes out and gets absolutely dump trucked on their home floor to start the season.